overreacting to this whole thing. Being too dramatic, overthinking.
I think I showed
Getting myself worked up over nothing.
Hello, today's really exciting. I'm gonna go pick up my shoes from Prada. I'll tell you guys a little bit more about it, but this is today's fit.
I gave up, and then the rest popped off. We're eating udon.
So they had a happy hour special. I got the Wagyu beef with truffle oil and omakase set.
Udon West noodles better than this.
Udon was fucking delicious.
Like this one is 25, right?
This is 25.
$2.50. We'll just give it $3 out of it, right?
You seem pretty busy though.
It's not Saturday. It's an empty table.
On our way walking to Prada, we stopped by Ralph's Coffee. I've been seeing them everywhere, so I really wanted to try it. So we made our way to Prada. I was waiting for my essay Michelle, and we're just checking stuff out. I actually purchased my loafers last week, but she offered to stretch them out, so I left them for a week. Here I am trying them on. Here's my first time trying them on. They actually look so cute. I think they would look so cute with so many outfits. They also look so cute close up. I knew if I tried them on in store, I wouldn't leave without them, which is totally true. Then we made our way over to Rebag. I think we were just killing time, but they have a lot of lovely items in there. So cute. Do we like it? Not the color though. Let's ignore the color. I think I like the bigger one. But this would be a travel thing. Cody doesn't want it. Like this?
It's like to your shoulder.
Oh. I don't think I can.
That's my main thing about these clothes. It's like
Oh my god, they look so bad.
harder to carry on your shoulder.
I look like a mom. Then we headed over to the Louis Vuitton in Bloomingdale's, but I saw this really cute corner where Dior is, so I wanted to take a few pics. They're so cute. I was laughing because Cody snuck in the background of my photo when he was looking for shade. So we made it over to Louis Vuitton in Bloomingdale's. Here's my cute bag. We checked out all of the keep balls. We're kind of talking about it in the moment. I learned a lot about the keep balls and the different styles and sizes. Here's a few more clips. We decided on one, so here's Cody checking out. Speaking of checking out, I saw this really cute, a little baby version of the one we got, and I'm dying, but it was like $800. And then we made our way home. I wanted a shot of me with the bag, so here it is. It was super duper heavy. And I'll do the unboxing when I get home. Hi guys, so I think you guys watched the vlog. I want to apologize for not having an upload on Tuesday, but hopefully you guys are seeing this on Friday. So happy Friday. Just to clue you guys in, it's been pretty hectic at work, super busy. I think it's like the peak of my busy time at work, so it's really been sucking up all of my energy and time, but there are still things I want to upload and get out to you guys, so this is one of them. And I know a good chunk of you guys are from New York, but for those of you who are or have followed the news, like I think the last hurricane that came, it affected us in our apartment. So we did have some flood water or something like come in, and it kind of like wet our carpet and there's like mold growing. So we're trying to deal with that. We moved a lot of our furniture out of the room, and we're sleeping in like an extra storage room, so that's been super hectic. So I don't really like vlog when I get home because home is so messy, and this is like the little nook in the apartment that I can find that's like cute enough for filming. So I think I am gonna have to utilize like the extra filming spaces that I have in this building that I talked about in the last New York City Diaries, so I'll like link it down below. But that's everything that I wanted to share with you guys. That's everything that's been going on with me, because I know some of you guys like to know. So I don't know what's been going on in my life, but for some reason I've been making some luxury designer purchases. Just to update you guys about my last purchase, which was the Dior and the Chanel. I am keeping both of them because I'm really happy with them and happy with like the condition and price that I got it for, if you guys want to see that. It's also linked down below. And as for the Dior, I wanted to update you guys. I did mention the damage or signs of wear, which the biggest one that I was worried about as I would continue using it was the glazing. So I did send it into Dior a week and a half ago, and they did follow up with me like yesterday saying that it's been repaired and it's being shipped back to the Dior boutique. So that was really awesome, and I shared on my Instagram that the essay there said that I would not be charged for that repair, so that's really awesome as well. So yeah, if you guys want to see day-to-day updates, definitely check me out on Instagram. And that's my luxury updates. So just to talk to you, I'm gonna push this one out of the frame a little, don't have a lot of space, but just to talk to you guys, I've been seeing these all over Pinterest, all over Instagram, and I don't know why, I just really wanted them, and I thought about them for like about a month. I still wanted them, and for some reason I thought they were more than $975. So when the essay told me that was that price, I was like, wow. So I just ended up getting them. I don't really see them on the secondhand market, and because they're shoes and they're like, oh, I should probably take it out, right? Okay. So here they are, and because they are shoes and a really classic style, I thought investing in them would be fine, and I'll wear them basically forever. And I've always like worn loafers here and there. So yeah, so let's do the unboxing. This is what it looks like. I did purchase this about 2 weeks ago, the same time when I gave in my Dior for repair, because they're like across the street from each other on 5th Ave. So here they are. I thought it was really lovely that they come with like cute little dust bags. I think this is my second designer shoe. The first one was like a work shoe, so super boring. But these are loafers, so like if I ever do end up going back to work, I could possibly wear them. But for work now, I think smart casual is fine, so I can wear jeans at work, so that's fine. So here they are. The reason why I picked them up the last weekend, so I left them at Prada for like a week, is because the sales associate really kindly, first of all, she let me try her shoes on because I didn't believe her that I was the size and I wanted the next size up. And she was like, no, 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 no. These will stretch out. I've worn these for like a month and they stretch out. And I like kept saying, I think I should get a size up. But she suggested that I try her shoes on, and I really wanted to do that because I like broken in shoes already. Like I don't want to do any of the work. So I tried hers on, and also they slipped on really nicely because for the brand new ones I kind of had to like wiggle my way in. So I definitely foresee a little bit of pain or discomfort with these. But nonetheless, here they are. I'm sure you guys have seen these everywhere. Oh, there's so much tissue paper. So here they are. I will take them out of the box. So here they are so lovely. Can't wait to style them and wear them. I haven't worn them yet. I'm still trying to figure out what size I am, but I believe it's equivalent to a 6.5. But some of you guys asked, and in my opinion, I believe these would run true to size because they stretch out. They are pretty tight right here where the logo is, but I think that's just how Prada shoes are made. That's what she said. There is a little bit of an, oh, here, 6.5. Okay, so here you guys can see it's a size 6.5. I finally found it, made in Italy, so that's really awesome. But yeah, it's pretty tight around here, so I do think you're gonna have to stretch these out. So yeah, they're super beautiful. I'm really happy to have them. I have so many outfits I want to put together in these, and I think I'm gonna have them like all the time. So yeah, I had a really lovely experience there because the essay like let me try her shoes on and stretch these out for me, so that's really awesome. If you guys are like regular watchers of my channel, I have previous videos where I do buy dupes and replicas of Prada stuff. From my experience from trying that out, I don't really see myself like continuing with it. At the end of the day, it's like a complete waste of money because like I don't ever plan on like reselling any of that stuff. The items don't really come that accurately. To wait forever, it's like a guess in the dark. I feel a lot better, like I guess like in my heart, just buying the authentic items, and also my boyfriend doesn't have to shame me about it, but it's not a big deal. But you know, obviously I care about his opinion on things just a little bit. But yeah, I just wanted to catch you guys up on that part because I know I made previous videos about it. So everyone is allowed to do what they want, and that's what I did, and I'm just sharing with you guys like the update. So moving on, this was a little bit of a spontaneous purchase, but me and Cody have been talking about it. So yeah, there are like items on my like forever list that I want, but I don't really know when I'm gonna get around to getting them, and this is one of them. Oh, haha. Cody has a Protect the Week book. He went to like this watch boutique, which I didn't end up vlogging because like I was exhausted by the end of the day because we had like walked like 10,000 steps, but I guess one of the salespeople gave him a book. Yeah, Cody's crazy. So let's take her out. I think I showed me trying on different versions of this bag. I think I vlogged a little bit and took pictures with like different bags, but I didn't take a picture with the actual bag that we bought. So let me unbox it for you guys. It was a bit spontaneous, and the only thing I didn't like is that like this is the only one left in the store, and I usually like to ask for something from the back. So yes, so here it is. It comes with a little receipt. So this is really funny because this is going to be an item that me and Cody plan on sharing, but here it is. Any guesses? So it is the Keep Ball, I think in like Eclipse, in size 55. So let me open this bad boy. Oh, I thought it was locked. Oh my gosh. Okay. So here it is, and it comes with the little strappy strap. I told Cody this is mainly going to be his bag because it's just way too big for me. I'll definitely hold it for photos, but I think it's not a very practical size for me. But yeah, this is what it looks like. So it's a size 55 for this, which is so unfortunate because I tried every single size that they had, which was 45, 50, and 55, and this is 55. What I liked the most was size 55 for the both of us. If it was personally up to me, I would just get myself the size 45 because I know I'm small and I really can't carry that much, but this is to share with Cody, like I said, and I think he wanted a bigger size, and the essay there was like trying to convince us that like the bigger the better. But I don't really care for that because like I'm gonna have to carry it. I don't really like carrying things, and it's literally just for the aesthetic, and I already know it has a weight to it. And I've watched some people's reviews and videos about it, and everyone always says they buy it and then they don't end up using it because it's so dang heavy and so hard to use. So obviously I kept that in mind and kind of didn't like getting pushy towards the end, but I get it because like I was there for like an hour trying to figure it out. I really couldn't figure it out because this was the best print for both of us, but it only comes in 45 and 55. So that really sucks. And they were saying like the size 50 only comes in like their most standard one, which is the one with the vachetta leather and then the brown monogram. And Cody doesn't like that. And I think it's a little bit too high maintenance for a luggage piece. Like I'm gonna have to like take care of the vachetta, which I don't want to do. And it comes in like this more expensive taiga leather, which is what they called it. Obviously, like I think we wanted something a little bit more flashy, like with a monogram. The other one was really subdued. I think it's really great if you're looking for something more conservative, but we're not. Gonna be honest with you guys again. I didn't like that this was the only one in the store, and I really couldn't give it a look over. Just if I can. Oh no. Let's see if I could. Oh, yeah, I was afraid of something like this happening, but I guess it was good to look at it, but it kind of sucked. There's like a nick on the handle, which I don't love, and now that I'm looking at it closer, the edges of the little clasp is like white. I'll try to show you guys. That really sucks. Yeah, okay. Okay, so sad, but good thing I had some time to look this over, and at least I was filming it so you guys don't think I'm like a big weirdo. But for Louis Vuitton, I really stand behind like you guys taking a closer look at things, and I guess like all stores, and if you're not happy with how it is, definitely go back. So I think I will be going back. Kind of just went in there on a whim because we do plan on traveling soon. So Cody wanted something cute. I guess Cody wanted something cute, which it actually is so cute, but I'm really unhappy with the condition of this one. So yeah, but plans for this, I guess, is Cody has to go to Audemars Piguet for resizing another watch that he won. He flew to LA for it. Random, but awesome. He won it from the same luxury Instagram watch page, which I think is fucking insane. But he's gonna go do that, and there's a Louis Vuitton there, so I think I'm gonna go with him and pop in and see what's going on with this one. And I think I'm going to Louis Vuitton this weekend to pick up a book. I don't know if you guys remember, but me and Cody got my bestie that lives in this building. We got her a really nice Louis Vuitton coffee table book, and we wanted one for ourselves, but they have since sent to the store like 3 versions of the book, and all of them have been completely damaged. But the essay that sold us this one followed up and said that they found one in like shrink wrap, which means it's like never been opened. So I'm hoping to pick that one up this weekend, and I guess I'll vlog that. I think I'm hanging out with the girls that day. Hopefully you guys like this chatty video, but really sad about this guy. Now actually, now that I look at it, it's like a little bit cuter. I think because it was super stuffed in the store, it looked really ridiculous when I was holding it, but I think it's okay. But yeah, basically to say, I always wanted to keep, oh, she's deflating. Maybe if I close this. Put a pillow in here. But yeah, basically to say, I've always wanted a Keepball, and I think if I was buying one for myself, I would just buy one off the secondhand market, get the size 45 and call it a day. But Cody wanted one for us to share, I guess. That was his thought. So we have this guy. He's really cute, but not perfect. So kind of disappointed about that, but I was really glad to sit down and share my experiences with you guys, for those of you who are interested in this kind of stuff. So if you guys like this video, please give it a like. And if you guys want to see more from me, please consider subscribing. It really helps me and my channel. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.